Alright guys, well Bobby just caught a fish here.
Oh my god, that's a tiny bass.
Small bass.
Alright, so we're going to get you guys the size and possibly the weight. I don't know, it's probably going to be too small.
Smallmouth bass.
It's not smallmouth.
That's for sure a smallmouth.
It's called a baby.
A baby bass.
Oh, whatever. Yeah, it's a bass. Okay? That's undisputed. The fact that it's a bass is okay. Shut up, Matt.
I'm like whispering to the camera. Okay, as soon as he unhooks the fish there.
Right in the mouth. Okay, so
you don't need to measure that puppy, it's just a small one.
yeah, that one's really small
Yeah,
in comparison to some of the other ones
Sure.
we've caught.
And what Bobby always does is...
Well, I throw it back.
And
first, I got my new handy little tool, so I can measure it for you guys.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Okay, so the fish is about 6.5 inches.
Not bad. And what Bobby always does to his bass that he catches first
is I toss him back.
Forgot to kiss it.
Oh, I forgot to kiss it. Oh, dang.
Alright,
Now I'm not going to catch any fish.
we'll
Watch.
capture it.
Oh.
Here we go, Bobby. Just got another bass here.
Oh, it's a big one.
Alright, I'm gonna have to help him get it.
I got it. Oh, yeah.
Good size, good size.
That's a good one. Alright, hold my rod. Okay, let's bring it in front of the camera. Dude, my rod just snapped in half.
Oh, did
It did. Okay.
Oh.
So, that's the one we got now.
Nice doozy, baby.
That's a fat one. Chub. That's a chubby. Chubby little bass.
I'm gonna cast out while he's doing this crap. The video's still on.
Chubby one. Okay. So what I'm going to do is when I catch a fish, first I grab it, and then I do the mouth. Oh no! Oh crap! Oh, I still had the line on. Feisty little one, feisty big one, as I should say. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, I have it right on its tongue. So I'm going to use some pliers. Where's my pliers? In my pocket. Okay. So what you do is you take it, put it in its mouth, and when you grab it, you want to grab the entire treble hook. You want to push back. And it's unhooked right there. So now to get the measurements on this one. Alright, so now I'm going to use my little weigh tool. I don't really know where to put it. Oh geez, fish is bleeding. That's called. Don't be putting hater comments that I gut hooked it or anything, because I didn't. Hey Matt, where do you think I should put this to weigh it?
It doesn't matter.
You think I should do it like from the back of the... This is a 1 pound bass. So, whoa geez, bleeding. Bloody fish.
Put him in away from here.
Yeah, and oh, Matt almost got a fish. And this fish is, one sec. They can live 2 minutes out of water, just so you know. So, oh, 2 minutes easily. This one is a 16-incher. So that's a really good size. This is the average bass for this pond that we catch. Okay, signing off. I'm going to put my bass back, but first gotta kiss it. Put it over here. That's a beautiful bass. And hopefully Matt's fail cast won't count.